Alright, it's my lunch time. I am on my way to lunch. I love this background. Actually, I want to go look on a new spot to see if that spot is nice, where I could do some videos during my lunchtime, to do some of the tasks that I have to do for my project. Also, today is Wednesday, so it's fried chicken Wednesday. I really don't go to the cafe. I really don't go to the cafe. I don't eat food in the cafeteria only because I cook my own food and I bring to work. But today, I forgot my food. I totally forgot my food, so I will be going to the cafe today to eat some fried chicken. And this is day in my life. I'm at work, but this is my lunchtime. Okay. However, I left the office late today because I was assisting a student over my lunchtime. So I will just use the rest of my lunchtime to eat something quickly, view the spot that I'm planning on making my videos, and I come right back to work because I don't like to be late to my office. Oh, yes. Then I will see you guys later when I'm home. That's when I will be coding the stuff that I have assigned to me today. But you learn, I'm so cold. It's so cold. Look at my fit for today. And besides, it's so cold. Okay. I'm at lunch. This is my first stop actually. But I don't see anything that I want. Bro, I want some fried chicken. The line is long as fuck. I went into the burger line. The burger line is long as fuck, but I didn't want burger. And she's like, go around, baby, because all I wanted was fries. I got some fries. I'm gonna snack on these fries until I get to the chicken line. Because this line is long. Bend the corner. This is the space I'm referring to. This is a really nice space from up here. The chair that I'm sitting on, these chairs are nice. It's a little lounge area. See my lunch. This is my lunch. I got some pizza. I think that's jello. I'm not going to eat that now. But this is what I will eat now. It's fried chicken wings. I got some mac and cheese and 2 wings. And I got some juice right here. But I'll be chilling and eating. I actually just published my 3rd video and I will be heading back to work. It's like 12:54 right now. I have 6 minutes to walk back to my office and it's not really far, so I'll be walking back right now. Alright, back at my office. It's 1 o'clock, so I'm heading in. So let's look at some of the tasks that I have to do today. I have, let me see, the 22nd. Choose your subject fix. This is when this is due here, the 22nd. Then what else have the 22nd? Save answer now. So we're gonna move that message to the right of that button, the save message. What else have the 22nd? in sign up, let users add their school name, or in the profile page let they add their school name. Also, let the users choose their country. I was planning on putting this in the sign up, but right now I don't want to mess with the sign up, so I will put that in the profile so users can add that if they want to. It's optional. But later I can add it to the sign up and keep it in the profile. So before I started asking Claude to add those sections to the profile for me, I gave Claude an example of how I added the phone section, so it can use that example and create something that cohesive with my application already, right? So let's see, it's giving me some stuff: build profile setting, show school, show school, yeah, filter countries, user, update user profile, all right, string, state variable, okay. These state variables, let's say to add these. All right, so we will add some stuff. This is how you do it when you are trying to use Claude to assist. You just follow the instructions. So I will find where I have this already. All right, so we're gonna put these above super dispose. I have a few up there already. Alright, that's done. So what we will be doing is finding this here, build, not that one, this one, and we're going to highlight it. And we're going to copy. We can delete that. Alright, so we are done with this. We can test and see what's going on. There's an error, but let's hard refresh. Let's see if we get any error. Nope. But what we do need is space between. We don't have no space. We don't have no space between each item. See, build setting card, build setting card, right? When we call this here, we're gonna put some space between some of these things. Come on, ChatGPT. All these are called Claude ChatGPT. Claude, you should have put some space between these things for me. Ooh, look at the space. A 32 me have between them here? I don't think so. This 32 look real big. After 32 I was 16. I could put 15 instead. That look like the space the rest of them have. Do look like 12. Alright, let's reload this a little bit. Yeah man, this look more like it. So Now you can add a school, type a school name, Port Antonio, you know. Hi. Say I save it. It's not saved anywhere, really. It's not saved in the database. Select your country. Right, Jamaica. Right, and when this is selected, yeah, awesome. So it didn't do a bad job with this, so we can keep this. You see, quick, and that's done. uh, see, so that's why sometimes you have to put in the energy, you know, to do it, to get the work done. So even though I am left with, yeah, definitely I haven't done update user profile, I haven't done any other updating for the phone number, anything like that to save in the database. Complete this, right? So we're gonna have to do that in the list, but we're not doing it today. We just need to ensure that we work on the design and adding it into the profile. So one thing at a time. I like that it uses the blue here, uses the red here, right? So I like it. So we can mark this as completed. Which one is that? Sign up. Let users choose a school in whatever, and let they choose a country. Done. So those things for the 22nd is done right there. Right here, move save message to the right of the button. I think this is paper 2. Let's look at an example of what we are referring to here. So say for example, in this paper here, say we start the quiz, and let me see, when I save something, it will show up here in the top, right? But because the question is so long, you see, click saved, you see the message down here. But for something like this, where the question have an image above it like that, or a drawing, right, when I save the question, I won't be able to see that it was saved because the message is all the way up here. So we want to move that message to the right of this button here. So which page is this? I don't even know which page this is. Quiz, paper 2, quiz screen. Most likely paper 2, quiz screen. You see, it's great when you create your own application, so you know the name of all your files and you know where to find things when you need to fix something, which is good. So I am searching for save answer now. Oh, see that? There we go, save answer now. All right, so okay, when I click save, what do I see again? I see saved, right? So we want to move that saved message down. All right, so I will add it here to see if I can get it to appear below it, to the right of it somewhere. Right, so we're going to test that out. Alright, it appears below it, but we want to have it to the right. So we're going to use the implementation from Claude so we can get it to the right of it. To the right, baby. To the left. Alright, let's try this out. Remove the one that I added. Let's do this again. I didn't know need a button to take up all the space. It's not bad. but I just never needed the button to take up the whole space. Alright, it's fine. We can work with it like that actually. My button have no problem. Can't stay right like that. Save answer now. Big like that straight across the screen. Good. Then the saved indicator is to the right of it. Good job, Claude. But you know, love change people things, you know. Alright, we will be doing, where did that one go? This one here. That's not it for the 22nd. However, I feel limited right now. I feel limited. I feel like I'm supposed to be done working right now. This one, I don't feel like fixing it right now. Because this one will take some brainstorming that Claude won't be able to solve for me. I will have to think about it myself and decide what I want to do. Then I will ask Claude, what do you think of what I am thinking? You know, let me see if there's anything easier on this list that I can accomplish. No, I ain't trying to redesign no logo right now. Go ahead and walk out the door. One thing you gotta remember, you don't stop no show. If you wanna leave, baby, go ahead and walk out the door. Love is not. One thing you gotta remember, you don't stop no show. Oh no, okay, I think that's it for today. My brain is fried. Well, that's the right expression. My brain is fried, so I really cannot think right now, especially to do anything hard. Because my work, I like to sit and think about my work rather than have the AI do all my work for me. So I will stop here today because the stuff that are on the easy list almost done. This is supposed to be in the medium because it's not easy at all, right? And the due date of this one is tomorrow, which means I think due date is at 10 p.m. I can accomplish that by 10 p.m. I can. Oh, and you know what? My brain is fried, but I still have my assignment to do. See, I have my canvas open up here to do my big data and its application pre-assessment. It's a pre-assessment, so, and it's 100 questions or something that is long. It's hella long. So let me see, item list. I don't know. It's hella long. 105. It's 105 questions. See it down here. So I will work on that before going to my bed. Because I'm 2 weeks behind because I just joined the class and class started like a week ago. So this week is the second week. So I need to catch up as well. So while my brain is fried, I still have a lot to do. Thank you all for watching. Yeah, see ya.